fucked up.
No, this is just fine.
This is what happens when you put
24s on a
How do I
vehicle
wanna word this?
that shouldn't have it.
when you try to act ghetto.
Hey, they came with it. Now what do I do? Here, wait. Let me tighten these up. That's tight. Hold on. This is like a snap click. There you go. Look at that.
There we
Done.
go. We're
Fucking
done.
on. Let's go.
Let's go.
We're rolling.